All right, ladies and gentlemen, here we are, July 22nd, 2023, Street Machine Nationals here at the Minnesota State Fair. You guys saw the Bat the 50s back in the archives, so this is coming out probably December 10th or 11th, but my favorite car right here so far. So you can see a lot of different vehicles. Some are not worth looking at. This is a beautiful, my favorite boss. A girlfriend of mine, I had my 65 Chevy. I drove this for, hers was orange, but I drove it for a 351 Cleveland in it. For a night, she drove my 65. Love that car. But you're gonna see all kinds of different kind of cars here today. There was a guy that got murdered by a guy who stole a Kia, some kid, and he was murdered in a 64 Chevy convertible, yellow. Totaled it out, got killed, got murdered by the young man. So it's a shame. So here we go. Nice one right here. But you're gonna see all the different kinds. You get over here. I love some of these 72 olds. Love these cars. These are cool as hell. Beautiful. But you're gonna see all kinds of different ones here. GTOs probably, maybe some Javelins, because this is a whole different show compared to the one that you guys saw before, Bat the 50s. This is all kinds of stuff. I had one, I think, I had a Chevelle for a while, a long time ago. Classic. Way, way back. I'd say when I was about 22. Not for long, but SS, as you can tell. Cool cars. Cars are like wives. They ain't yours, don't touch. True. Hot Rod Power Tour. So yeah, there's all kinds of stuff here. State Fair is coming up here. This really showed the taste of Minnesota. You guys saw those videos. Should have been here. But there's not as many as cars as you saw at the other one, but there's plenty for some. All you can drink milk is here too as well. That's always fun. So you can see it over here, that one right there. So, but you can see some cars over here. I really don't care about it, but that one's a nice one right here, over here. I think they have some indoor stuff too, but it was 20 bucks to get in the door, so it is what it is. But you'll see cars like you won't see at the Bat the 50s. This is a nice SS right here. It's a Super Sport. Nice. Got a old truck right here. Got a Corvette over there. That's nice. I like these older Corvettes. Those are nice. Yeah, very nice. We'll get into, I mean, like, I don't care about this one right here. I mean, somebody does, but I can care less. Here's a 62 Pala. See that? Easy to get at. All this stuff right here. Classic. Clean as hell. A lot of Chevelles. I see a Chevelle over here. This one's nice too as well. Special. Look at that. Nice. If you need, you can fit 6 in there. What is that one? Boscani, 1966, Special Deluxe, mag wheels, do not touch. So, hope you guys like the snorkeling one. That's kind of fun. So there's over here is a kind of a cool here. Let's go over here. Chick staring in the camera. I'm not videotaping you, girl. God, staring at me. Monte Carlo, nice. Look at that bad boy. Whew. Nice. Sweet. Those are nice. Got a couple Novas over here. Not as many as the other car, but they're lined up. Not bad boy, huh? Nice. I want to go up over here. So, like I said, you have a variety. It goes Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So, not as big as crowd as the that's the 50s, but it's big enough. And you're going to see cars like this because they're old enough to be in there. Go ahead. That's cool. Look at that bad boy, huh? '69 Roadrunner. Nice. GTA Dodge. One guy, I go, how was it? And he goes, not as good as the other one. So we're here, so Uno or something. Got a Mustang over here. Official truck of the 80th. Have a nice truck. Hopefully you see some GTOs. Yeah, that's nice. There you go. 455 Cutlass. Look at that bad boy, huh? Whew. Look at that.
5 to 6. Where?
Cool. That's kind of a for sale. Camaro. 651254. 79 Camaro for sale. Over here. Classic one right over here. Look at this bad boy. For sale. Camaro. Nice. Here's a newer Camaro. I think they're going to eliminate the Camaro. Oh, yeah, here we go. Look at that bad boy. I believe that's an Impala. 67 Impala. Nice. Red. Look at that bad boy. Nice. 427. Nice. Look at this bad boy. Ooh, I see a 66 Impala over there. Convertible. On the 427. What do you guys think, huh? Chevelle by Chevette. Go to the 64. Got old over here. Yeah, they're lined up. I love the old Impalas. So let's look over the Impala here. So look. Oh, he's closing the hood. That's too bad. How many miles are on it?
On the engine, probably 15,000 maybe, 20, if that.
Saw that guy got murdered by that guy smashed into a 64 Impala and killed him in the convertible in the paper yesterday.
Oh, I didn't see that.
Yeah, some kid hit him and killed him in his 64 Impala convertible. Yesterday in the paper, he stole a key and killed him, murdered him. Brand beautiful 64 convertible yellow, murdered him. These guys. Mine was red too as well. The black interior was 65. These guys. So, go over here. Away from the music. We'll probably popular for that, but here's a Ford. We started it up. All right, guys. Here's the first one.
Harry, look at the Jeep.
So anyways, what do you guys think, huh? Yeah. If you don't read the paper, you don't know about that kind of news, the front page. So let's go over here, look at this one real quick before we end this video. Go down here and it's more shadier. Anyway, so there we go. The way to end it. Nice job. Very nice.